Improvising ATM security via face recognition. Abstract. Automated teller machines, also known as ATMs, are widely used nowadays by each and everyone. The ATM machine is an electronic device that is used by the banks to perform banking tasks like withdrawal of money, transferring of money, and many to get many information about a user's bank account without the need to visit a bank. Document. In document we can provide this: contents, abstract, introduction, literature survey, system analysis, requirement analysis, system design, implementation and results, system study and testing, conclusion, future enhancement or future scope, references. PPT. PPT we can provide abstract, introduction, literature survey, existing method, disadvantages, proposed method, proposed block diagram, simulation block diagram and results. Advantages, applications, software and hardware requirements, conclusion, future scope and references. The admin login page is designed for administrators to access the system by entering their email and password. The interface allows for user management in an ATM facial recognition system, where administrators can add new users by inputting their details and uploading a profile picture. It includes fields for username, email, phone number, address, password, and profile upload. The interface demonstrates the use of a live camera feed for capturing a user's image in an ATM facial recognition system, allowing the user to upload their profile picture directly for enhanced security. The page displays an ATM facial recognition system interface where users can capture and upload their live images directly for profile creation. The page displays a user management interface within an ATM facial recognition system, listing registered users along with their contact details, addresses, and account numbers. The page presents a choice between using facial recognition or a manual process to access ATM services, enhancing security by offering biometric authentication. The page shows an ATM facial recognition system in action, capturing and identifying a user through a live camera feed for secure access. The page prompts the user to enter their PIN as part of the ATM facial recognition system, combining traditional password entry with biometric verification for enhanced security. The page displays account details for a user authenticated through the ATM facial recognition system, including account number, holder's name, email, contact, and address. The page displays a log of user activity in the ATM facial recognition system, recording usernames, passwords used, and timestamps of access. It also includes options to view alerts and log out. Thank you for watching. For more details, contact 9030 333 433.